Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 E300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has illuminated start on the grille, adaptive high beam assist, front and rear LED daytime running lights, sports package with a sports exterior and interior look, 18-inch 5-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. Black MB text interior with a natural grain black ash wood trim, ambient lighting, sunroof, rear spoiler, E300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set to all season and regular floor mats, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Mercedes-Benz surround sound system, heated seats, LED logo which appears when you open the door, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera, navigation, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, wireless charging, USB ports, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, our Parktronic with different camera settings. This E-Class has 17,311 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.